In today's fast evolving digital world, businesses need technology that works for them. At Embee Software, we are at the forefront of digital transformation, empowering businesses across India. We help our customers succeed. Trusted by more than 2,500 customers, powered by a team of over 850 skilled professionals, Embee delivers cutting-edge solutions with multiple Microsoft Advanced Specializations. Our consulting and implementation services have helped businesses unlock their full potential, leveraging Microsoft solutions that streamline operations, secure and enhance productivity, and drive growth. Our mission is to enable organizations transform with technology in a digital, mobile-first, AI-driven world. Embee Software expertise spans across data and AI on Azure, Microsoft Copilot, modern work, Azure Cloud Infrastructure, analytics on Azure, digital and app innovation on Azure, SAP ERP, Cybersecurity, Scale-Ops, Cloud and Infra-Managed Services. Embee, making IT easier.